So we have seen how to use in condition and between condition. So now let us learn how to use the like condition, where like condition is used to perform pattern matching between the string using the wildcards. But by pattern matching, I mean you can find if a string is starting with a particular character or is ending with a particular set of characters. So the kind of pattern matching can be done using the like condition. The syntax of like condition is: select the columns that you want from your table name, and when you specify the condition using the where keyword, you use like, and then you specify the pattern. Now, to specify the pattern, we will be using the wildcards. As told earlier also, wildcard is a special character, or you can say it is a symbol, and this symbol means something to SQL. Now, for example, when you are using wildcards with like, there are two particular wildcard use. One is the person symbol. Person symbol allows you to match any string of any length, whereas this underscore wildcard, it allows you to match only single character. For example, if you write letter A and after that you write the person symbol, that it means any string starting with letter A. There can be number of characters in that string. %A will mean that the string is ending with A, and in front of A there can be any number of characters. A%B will mean it is starting with A and ending with B, and between A and B there are any number of characters. Do note that a space is considered as a character and even a 0. To say that no character will also be acceptable. So, A%B will also include AB. That is, there is no character between A and B. In the fourth example, I am showing you the use of underscore symbol. AB underscore C will mean that the string is starting with A and B and it is ending with C. And between this A and B and between this B and C, there is only one single character present. So it is a 4-character string. So let us use this in examples and try to find out patterns. Suppose we want to find out customers whose names start with J. So to do that, this is the syntax. Select everything from the customer table where customer name is like J. Anything after J, so it is J%. Now let us go and write this query in our SQL. As you can see, I have written the syntax select star from customer where customer like J%. Here you can note that I have written a capital J, which means that all the names which are starting with capital letter J will be selected. So now when you select this command and run it, you can see each record which is having their first letter starting with capital J have been retrieved. Now, if you want to select customer who has Nelson in their name, maybe their first name should be Nelson, or maybe their last name should be Nelson, or Nelson should be appearing between the string. So, how to find such customer? So, as you can see, we will write that word between the two percentage symbols. So now we will go to our pgadmin and write this query. Here I have written the syntax select star from customer where customer name like I will have percentage Nelson and then again we'll write percentage. Now we will select this query and run it. So as you can see, only one record is having Nelson, which is its last name. Now suppose you want to find out customers whose first name consists of 4 characters, and after that there can be any number of characters. So now, how to find such customers? So here we need to use the underscore wildcard. For the first name, we will use 4 underscore characters. We need a space, and after that there will be a percentage symbol. So written the syntax select star from customer where customer name like 4 underscores and after that we have given a space. So this will ensure that the first name ends after 4 characters. And now we will write a percentage symbol. So now select this query and run it. As you can see, we have got all the customers whose first name is of 4 characters, and after that there can be any number of characters. In the fourth example, I am showing you the use of like condition along with the not condition. So if you want to find out all the cities which are not starting with the letter S. So how to do that? So in this condition, we will also be using the distinct keyword. Distinct will ensure that the city names are not repeating since a lot of customers are residing in the same city. So if I just write select, I'll get the city's name repeatedly. So to get unique city name, I will write distinct also. So select distinct city from customer where city not like and it is not starting with S. So let us go to our pgadmin and write this condition. Here we will write select distinct city from customer where city not like, which means the city name should not start with, and here we'll write S, capital S, and we'll give a percentage mark. So now select this query and run it. So here you can see we have retrieved those cities which are not starting with letter S. The last example is using the escape character. This backslash that we have here is called an escape character. Well, it is used to escape the meaning of percent as a wild character. What I mean is that if you want to actually find out a percentage symbol in your data, how do you do that? So if you write the percent symbol, it will be considered as a wild character. So if you want this percent symbol to be considered as a percentage symbol, you will need to use this backslash, which is called as an escape character. So if you run this query, select star from customer where customer name like backslash person, it will actually find the customer which have a name of R%. Since we do not have any customer like that, I just wanted to show you this example. So we'll not be running this query. That's all with this like condition. In our next video, we will learn how to order the retrieved data set. For example, like when we retrieve customer name, it was coming in the random order. So if I want to get the customer names order in the alphabetical order as starting from A and ending from Z, so how to do that, we will learn that in our next video.